Hey Internet, this is the code for the lab SPI countdown for Introduction to Microcontrollers. So this is just an alarm clock. Once the countdown reaches 0, it makes a beeping sound. So I'm going to show you the code. The code is also in the pinned comment. It's also on GitHub. Note that the code has been uploaded to Turnitin. Also, the professor makes custom labs, midterms, and exams every year, so this will be similar but different. So not quite the same, but you can use this code to figure out how to solve your labs that are similar to this one. Okay, so here's the code. I'm just gonna slowly scroll down. Alright. And occasionally just make some sounds so it's not awkward silence. Okay, so most of this code you've already used previously in other labs, so there's nothing new per se, maybe just the SPI portion, but everything else it's been building up to this lab. And it's not too bad. It's a little bit long, but that's okay. Alright, so there is a reset. So once it hits 0, you can reset it. Alright. So we've got some button assignments. Okay. What else we got? Some RTCs. Alright. Whoops. Okay. Reset. Continued. State changes. Okay. So the point of me scrolling down is just in case the pinned comment isn't available. Alright, and we are done. So, thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, they're gonna need it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.